Air Zimbabwe has issued a statement explaining why its scheduled Harare-London flight was abruptly postponed less than 2 weeks after the national airline resumed direct services to the United Kingdom. Sanabina Mashubran watching the details on the failed Air Zimbabwe UK flight. Double subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tip down on mobile information in an operational update released on Friday. The airline said flight UM724 had been rescheduled to Saturday, August 1, 2026 at 9 p.m. because dear passengers, please note that flight UM724 has been rescheduled to Saturday, 1 August 2026 at 900 hours. We apologize for the delay and appreciate your understanding as we continue to serve you with the safe, reliable connections. The revised schedule shows flight UM724 departing Harare at 9 p.m. on Saturday and arriving at London Gatwick at 6 a.m. on Sunday. The return flight UM725 will depart London at 8 a.m. on Sunday before arriving in Harare at 7 p.m. the seventh day. People familiar with the matter said the disruption followed the illness of one of the airline's pilots, forcing the postponement of Friday night sea departure and affecting the scheduled return flight from London. The Air Zimbabwe, which has spent years attempting to rebuild its operations, finances, and international reputation, the cancellation represents the first significant operational challenge since the relaunch of the London route. The Harare-London service has become a flagship of the airline's recovery strategy after years of financial distress, aging aircraft, mounting debt, and shrinking international operations uh, forced the carrier to withdraw from several key destinations. Within hours of announcement, the postponement sparked widespread debate on social media, with many Zimbabweans questioning whether the airline has sufficient operational capacity to sustain a long-haul international service. Ndoma developments ari kubuda panguva ino. Pinagoma section medu dzofungira aim kuti kudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musasubscribe or like, but don't turn the bell icon.